AI is steadily cutting into white-collar careers. A new study from the Pew Research Center found that workers with higher education degrees, the very people who were told they'd be future-proof, are now the most likely to be replaced by AI. For the first time, white-collar jobs in California are shrinking, while blue-collar jobs are growing. In other words, the people with tool belts are suddenly looking a lot more future-proof than the people with laptops, which is probably not the plot twist career counselors had in mind. And the roles least exposed to automation? They're mostly jobs that don't require a college degree. So yes, AI may be circling some industries, but plumbers, electricians, and trade workers are still sleeping pretty well at night. Some of them are even raising their rates, because apparently they can. This shift is already influencing young people. More of them are now choosing blue-collar jobs over a college degree. A pretty dramatic reversal from all those years of go to college or your life will fall apart lectures. Turns out, life had a better sense of humor than anyone expected. Unemployment among fresh college graduates is rising much faster, a trend that probably makes some students wonder why they paid thousands of dollars for classes they can't even put on a resume. Advanced medieval basket weaving? Good luck with that. Meanwhile, 60% of U.S. workers say they're worried about AI's impact on their jobs. Another survey found that 60% believe their jobs could disappear within 10 years. Not exactly the kind of statistic HR likes to put on motivational posters. But the most concerning part is that the highest paying jobs are often the ones most exposed to automation. The professions requiring higher education and offering higher pay are, ironically, the ones sitting closest to the exit door. Somewhere out there, a person with $200,000 in student loans just felt a disturbance in the force. Still, not every profession faces the same level of risk. Some jobs appear surprisingly AI-proof, thanks to skills that aren't easy for machines to duplicate, like empathy, creativity, or the ability to pretend you're listening in a meeting. The impact of artificial intelligence on the labor market has become one of the most urgent debates today. Automation, machine learning, and data processing are transforming how companies operate and how workers fit into the economy, or don't fit anymore. But not all occupations have the same vulnerability. Some are at high risk of disappearing, while others stay protected, thanks to very human skills. The kind AI hasn't quite cracked yet. Emotional intelligence is still in beta. According to Goldman Sachs, AI could automate up to 18% of global work, with administrative and support roles hit the hardest. Even major consulting firms, yes, the ones usually telling everyone else how to prepare for disruption, are now being disrupted themselves. Karma has entered the chat. The International Labor Organization estimates that nearly 300 million full-time jobs worldwide could be affected as AI systems scale. The World Economic Forum warns that around 83 million jobs could disappear by 2027. That's a lot of people updating their LinkedIn bios at the same time. Routine, repetitive tasks based on structured data face the highest exposure. A McKinsey report estimates that up to 50% of current work activities could be automated with technology we already have, the kind of number that makes people check their job description twice. Administrative roles remain the most vulnerable. Data entry, spreadsheet work, low-level accounting, basically anything people already hate doing, face disappearing rates of 40% to 70%. Sales, support, marketing, PR, programming assistance, and business analytics also rank high on the risk list. In the U.S., data entry jobs have already declined 25% in a decade and will likely fall even faster by 2030 as companies deploy automation software that never gets tired and never takes coffee breaks or TikTok breaks. Customer service is undergoing the same transformation. AI chatbots can now handle much more complex questions, and they don't need lunch breaks or weekends. According to Gartner, 75% of customer interactions will be managed by AI by 2026. If you've ever been stuck on hold for 40 minutes, this one probably feels personal. Call center jobs, employing 17 million people worldwide, could decline dramatically. In Latin America alone, up to 2 million jobs may disappear within 5 years. Translation and content writing face similar challenges. Google Translate now surpasses 90% accuracy, and tools like ChatGPT and Claude let companies generate articles and manuals in minutes, a speed human writers achieve only under extreme deadline panic. 45% of translation tasks could be automated within a decade. And in journalism and content production, 37% of U.S. companies already use generative AI, with another 44% planning to adopt it by 2026. The machines are learning fast, and unfortunately, they don't have writer's block. Not every industry knows whether to be excited or quietly terrified. Not all jobs are doomed. However, not all occupations are heading toward automation. Some roles remain resistant because they require skills AI still struggles with, like empathy, moral judgment, or unpacking someone's emotional trauma without crashing. Professions like mental health therapists, teachers, creatives, and choreographers are relatively protected. According to Goldman Sachs, less than 5% of mental health tasks, less than 10% of teaching tasks can currently be automated. Skilled manual trades are also much safer. Electricians, plumbers, and maintenance technicians work in unpredictable environments filled with tight spaces, old wiring, and equipment from the 1,970 seconds held together by hope and dust. No robot is signing up for that job anytime soon. The U.S. Department of Labor projects that electrical installation and repair jobs will grow 6% between 2022 and 2032, outpacing the labor market average. And across the country, there's already a shortage of plumbers, something homeowners discover the moment they ask for a repair quote and briefly consider learning plumbing themselves. But being safe from replacement doesn't mean these jobs won't evolve. According to IBM, 40% of the global workforce, 1.4 billion people, will need to reskill in the next 3 years to work effectively with AI tools. That's basically everyone except your cousin, who's still refusing to update his phone. Doctors now use AI-assisted diagnostics. Teachers rely on AI. Lesson planners and technicians use predictive analytics. AI isn't replacing these professionals. It's helping them make fewer mistakes and survive their workdays with slightly less frustration. The impact of AI on employment is far from uniform. Some sectors will lose millions of jobs, while others will simply transform. Administrative, customer service, and content production roles face the steepest declines. In some cases, more than 50%. The bigger challenge is readiness. The ILO estimates that 60% of workers worldwide don't have access to retraining programs. Without those resources, AI won't just disrupt industries. It'll widen inequality already in motion. So, at the end of the day, AI isn't taking every job, but it is reshaping the job market much faster than anyone expected. Jobs built on predictable tasks are shrinking. Jobs built on human judgment and hands-on skills are holding steady, and everyone else is somewhere in the middle, quietly hoping their job isn't next on an AI training dataset. Some industries will adapt, some will shrink, and some will look very different in just a few years. The challenge isn't AI. It's making sure workers can keep up. Because if companies move forward and workers get left behind, the gap won't just widen, it'll become a canyon. But one thing is clear. The future of work won't be evenly distributed. For some, AI will be a tool. For others, a competitor. And for many, a reminder that future-proof careers were never as future-proof as we thought. And if you made it this far, you clearly like pain. So hit that subscribe button and join us.